Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we will reflect briefly on the fifth of the five suggestions that are involved in the Jesuit spiritual practice of the examen. This is something that the Jesuits make as part of their spiritual life. They make the examen sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. When St. Ignatius of Loyola founded the Jesuits, he intentionally meant for their spiritual lives not to be monastic. He wanted his men to be in the world. He wanted his men to be very active. And so with that in mind, he knew that they wouldn't be able to gather for the liturgy of the hours as the monastic people do. And so he created the examen so that they could kind of practice their spirituality on the go, so to speak. And so with that in mind, we look at the fifth aspect of the examen, which says, pray words of reconciliation, resolve, and praise. Reconciliation. We can pray today and each day to be reunited, to be as one again with those with whom we are estranged, with those with whom we are at odds. We can pray for resolve. We all need to pray for resolve these days. These are unprecedented, difficult times. And so we can pray for the resolve to remain patient, to be ready to do what we need to do to stay healthy and to stay safe. And as always, we can offer words of praise, knowing and believing that God is with us at all times, which merely circles us back to the first suggestion once again. I hope you found these reflections on the Jesuit examen to be helpful. I hope you have a great weekend, and please, as always, stay safe and healthy.